Where are class 1A kids? I can't see them. Only 16 of them are present. Okay, quickly I will take the roll number. Please respond to your roll number and then we will start our assembly. Okay, Muhammad Omar.
Present, ma'am.
Ronit.
Present, ma'am.
Rafan.
Present, ma'am.
Arham. Nivedita. Brishan. Okay. Mariam.
Present, ma'am.
Zaid.
Present, ma'am.
Ashad.
Yes, ma'am.
Han.
Present, ma'am.
Aira.
Present, ma'am.
Prasita.
Present చెప్పు.
Amira. Othniel. Hessa.
Amira is present. Present, ma'am.
Yes, Amira, I can see you. Hessa, is she present?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sheikh, Uzair,
Present, ma'am.
Springa, Samaira,
Present, ma'am.
Harshita,
Present.
Ronan Ravi,
Yes, ma'am.
Farhan Fawaz,
Present, ma'am.
Zainab, Rania,
Present, ma'am.
Sumaya, okay. So, today,
Ma'am. Is present.
okay. Everybody will mute their mic. Okay. So, today we have all gathered here. Yes, Jay, tell me.
Zaid is present.
Okay, Zaid, I have given you present. Okay. So,
Ma'am.
who is this?
Prasita.
Yes, Prasita, I have marked you also present. Everybody will mute their mic. Okay. So, today we all have gathered here for class 1A assembly. So, I would like to tell everybody that September 16, we celebrate International Ozone Day. So, this day commemorates, this day tells us that we should always preserve our ozone. Okay, ozone is the cloth worn by the our mother planet Earth. Okay, so if we preserve the cloth of our ozone layer, ozone, our mother planet, we will be able to protect and preserve our earth. Okay, so let us start our assembly. Over to Rania.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Class 1A Assembly. I'm Rani and I'll be your host for this morning. We'll start with the Holy Quran prayer recitation by Amira.
Amira, where are you?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Now I call Harshida for the English prayer recitation. As we start the day, bless us as the parents do. Bless our teachers and our parents. Help us to start a new day.
Yes, Harshita, can you repeat the prayer once more?
Bless us as we start the day. Bless us as we learn and play. Bless our teachers and our parents. Bless us to start a new day. Thank you, Archita. Now let us all stand up for the Qatar national anthem.
Okay, I'll just share the tray. Okay, wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am. Now Now I call Sheikh Uday to say the vision statement. Build an institution that inspires students to pursue education beyond excellence. Thank you, Sheikh Uday. Now I call Harshida and Mohammed Umar for the mission statement. Prepare them. Prepare them to face challenges in real world with confidence and competence, motivate to excel in talent and skills, and imbibe in them the elements of creative thinking, critical reasoning.
Loudly, say loudly.
Harshita, say loudly.
Loudly, Arshi. Say loudly. Sorry, she forgot to unmute the call. So she read, but nobody could read, listen. She will say now. Wait. Hello?
Yes, Harshita. Read it.
Start now.
Yes, she can start.
Yeah, Arshi, bit louder. Okay? Ready?
In the lecture, I could see that Canadian students holistic development and accept a community of progressive lifelong learners. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants
Ronnie, wait. You're not invited so far to talk now. Let Rania tell you that she will say you that when you need to speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Omar.
Thank you, Muhammad Umar. Now I call Muhammad Ashas for sharing the thought of the day. Thank you, Rania. The more you give away, the happier you become. I will repeat again. The more you give away, the happier you become. Thank you. Thank you, Muhammad Ashaz. International Ozone Layer Day. Our theme for today, I welcome myself, Sheikh Uzair, Umar, Nehan, Ronit, Harshita, Ashas to say something about Ozone Layer Day. On 16th September, we celebrate International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. This day is celebrated to spread the awareness of ozone depletion caused by harmful gases such as CFCs, HCFCs, and other gases which have the potential to deplete the ozone layer. Thank you. Over to Sheikh Uzair. Thank you, Rania. The ozone layer is the shield of the earth that inspires students to pursue education beyond. Shield that absorbs the harmful rays of the sun. The International Day of Preservation is also known as Ozone Day. The ozone layer protects all life from the sun's harmful rays, but due to high pollution, the ozone layer is damaged. leading to the damage to our mother planet. Over to Mar. Thank you, Shikude. The main cause of the depletion of ozone layer is the harmful smokes coming out from vehicles, factories and machines. Also, throwing garbage in water and cutting down of the trees. The ozone layer is getting depleted. Over to Nehan. Thank you, Omar. The depletion of ozone layer is affecting the climatic cycle and is making our Earth more warmer day by day. It has increased UV rays due to global warming and melting of the glaciers in the Arctic region. Thank you. Over to Ronit. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and harmful solar radiation. It mainly occurs due to the burning of natural gas, oil and wood that traps heat in the atmosphere. Over to Asaz. Thank you, Ronit. We can preserve our Mother Earth by planting more and more trees. Also by stopping the destruction of the forest and reducing the usage of plastics and harmful chemicals. Let us try to reuse, recycle and reduce product usage in our daily life. Let us make effort to use biodegradable things and preserve our planet for the future generation. Thank you. Over to Amira. Thank you, Asas. Let's just not protect the environment, but create a world where the environment doesn't need protection. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now I call up Principal Manjari ma'am, Head Mrs. Simi ma'am to address us who are gathered online. I would like to thank our Principal Manjari.
Rania, wait. Has Principal ma'am spoken? Let her address to us. Okay?
Ma'am, principal ma'am is there? Manisha?
I can't see in the
No, she's not there.
Yes, Headmistress ma'am is there.
Ah, okay.
I can see her.
Anisha, you can just give a call to Simi ma'am.
Okay, okay. Samyukta ma'am, I have like just called Simi ma'am and she told me to call Pooja
Hi,
ma'am.
Manisha. Manisha,
Yes.
Pooja ma'am might be in the class, so I just rang up Simi ma'am. Okay. So I think they would have started their classes. So Samyukta ma'am, could you just say a few words for the children, please?
Pooja ma'am is
Yes.
coming for the
Pooja ma'am is
assembly.
coming. Okay, okay, we'll wait till then. Samyukta ma'am can talk.
Okay, just for 2-3 sentences. Very good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. How are you all? Yes. First of all, it's a big round of applause for all grade 1 students. Very good. Can other classes clap for them? 1B and 1C? Yes, you all have done a great job. Though it's an online assembly, we know that how difficult it is, but you all have done a great job. I really did not expect just 5 and 6-year-old child can do this much. Understand? Okay, we are looking forward more and more from you all. I know you all have done a great job. Now, what we learned from today's assembly, can anyone say? It's very important to save our nature, take care of our nature. Yes, anyone can say one point?
We should protect our mother earth.
Yes, we should protect our motherland, Mother Earth. By through what ways? Can you say any 2 ways? How you will protect your Mother Earth?
Helping.
Helping. By helping means planting more trees. Yes. Reduce the wastage. Okay. Not using plastics more and saving more water and not wasting water. These are all the simple ways we can save our motherland. Isn't it? Okay, children. It's a great job. You people have done really a wonderful thing. Good, and wish you all the very best for grade 1 children. And I know how difficult it is to train the children, that too when we are not seeing in person. Through online training the kids, it's also difficult. Congratulations, Manisha ma'am, and as well as the parents. I know
Okay.
you all parents helped you a lot. It's good. Keep going, children. Good.
Let us invite Pooja ma'am. She is online with all of us. Let us invite her to address all of us. Pooja ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, children. Good morning. I think all the class, whole class 1 will be there, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Pooja ma'am.
Very good. So I'm really sorry I had my own class, so I missed your, I could not see it properly, but I'll definitely see the recording. I hope Manisha ma'am had done the recording. I'll definitely see it. And I know you had done it before also, but yes, this time also you had a very nice topic, and I'm really happy that all of you have participated, and also Aparna ma'am took the initiative to call all the children so that you can also see others how they are doing, right? So when they will also do, you will also go there and you will also see, and like this, yeah, you will also you will your confidence will be built up. You will more, you can say more better next time. How many children participated today, ma'am?
There were 8 students, ma'am, who participated.
Okay, definitely. So next time when the next turn will come, the other children will definitely participate. And all the best to all of you, and very well done. Manisha ma'am also had taken a lot of effort to train all of you. Thank you all. I have to rush because I'm in my class. So thank you
ma'am,
all
for
of you.
coming and
Definitely in the
addressing all
next
of
class I'll come. Thank you so much, all of you.
us.
Thank you,
Bye
Pooja
bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Okay. So, we thank Samyukta ma'am, Pooja ma'am. Aparna ma'am, would you like to say something, few words to encourage our
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. So, Manisha. Hello, everyone. How are you? Class 1A students, those who know me. How are you all? All of you doing good? Yes, okay. So it was a wonderful assembly. Though I had some technical glitches at the beginning, I could join and see the rest of the assembly. So it gives me good morning. So all of you, please be muted for a second. Yes. Okay, so it gives me great privilege to being the activities coordinator of class 1 and 2 to address you all today. And we will be having more fun-filled activities and assemblies in the coming weeks. So please be geared up for all of those. And congratulations to Manisha ma'am, class teacher of 1A, for conducting this assembly so nicely. And I thank all the parents and students for nailing this assembly. It was so nice. All of you had prepared so well. A lot of hard work had gone into the whole of this process. Thank you so much, and wishing you all the very best for the future programs. Okay, do well. Take care. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, children.
Thank you, Aparna ma'am, for
Thank you.
addressing